So today I'm going to show you how I made $12,000 with 1 hour of work. And this is a really nice way to make passive income. All right, so the overview here is that you're going to do affiliate marketing and you're going to create blog posts. And what you're going to be promoting is Coursera online courses. So Coursera is a very, very good LMS, learning management system. It is an online learning platform that offers really great courses from universities like Stanford or Dartmouth. It also has certificate courses from like IBM, Google, Facebook. So it's got the highest quality of online courses. That's why I like to promote it. It's a very good product. Now, it's very easy to join. Join our affiliate program. Join for free. And you just click in there. And as you can see, not only do they have great courses, but they also give good commissions. So they give commissions that are 20 to 45%. And then when someone joins this, they are going to be paying about $50 a month, about $400 a year. So 45% is, $180 per sale sometimes, and that's a good commission for you. It'll take them about 24 to 48 hours to get back to you to let you know that you're in, and they will come back to you and give you your affiliate link. That's the one that you will use in all of your blog posts, where you'll say, click here to check out this course. And then when someone clicks there, that's your special key with your own ID. And then that way Coursera knows that that person came from you and that when they buy, you get the commission. Then you simply decide what courses you want to promote. And let's see, there's these ones from University of Michigan, all sorts, Georgetown University. But I'm interested in going into